In this video, we will learn about pancreas, that is homeostatic endocrine gland. Pancreas is a heterocrine or compound gland, that is duct gland or exocrine, as well as a ductless gland, that is endocrine. It lies along the lower margin of stomach in the loop of duodenum. It is light pink colored and leaf-like gland. So this is pancreas. You can see this lies along the lower margin of duodenum and this is pink in color. Now the structure. Its exocrine part produces pancreatic juice which is carried by pancreatic duct into the duodenum. The pancreatic juice contains enzymes for the digestion of food. The endocrine part contains small groups of special endocrine cells called islets of Langerhans. They are secreted among the exocrine lobules. The islets of Langerhans have three types of cells: alpha cells, beta cells, and delta cells. So here, this is the image of islets of Langerhans. So if we see in the diagram, these are the alpha cells that secrete glucagon hormone. Then these are the beta cells that secrete insulin hormone, and these are the delta cells that secrete somatostatin hormone. Now, functions of insulin hormone. Insulin controls carbohydrate metabolism in the body cells and maintains proper glucose level in blood. It promotes utilization of glucose by body cells. It stimulates conversion of extra glucose from blood into glycogen by the liver cells or storage in liver and muscles. Then, disorders of pancreatic activity. First, undersecretion or hyposecretion of insulin. Undersecretion of insulin causes a disease called diabetes mellitus. The disease is characterized by high level of glucose in the blood, that means hyperglycemia. Glucose is excreted in urine, expelling large amount of urine, feeling of thirst due to loss of water through excessive urination, loss of weight and gradual increase of weakness. Hyperglycemia for a long period leads to loss of eyesight and damage to kidneys. The treatment of diabetes mellitus includes administration of insulin to augment the amount of insulin in blood for proper metabolism of blood sugar. Then oversecretion or hypersecretion of insulin. Oversecretion of insulin increases the level of insulin in blood. It increases the glucose metabolism by body cells, resulting in low level of glucose in blood, that is hypoglycemia. If blood glucose level becomes too low, the brain enters a state of coma. The person becomes unconscious and may collapse. This is called insulin shock. Function of glucagon hormone. Glucagon hormone is antagonistic to insulin in action. That means they behave in opposite manner. It stimulates breakdown of glycogen into glucose in liver cells. This raises blood glucose level wherever needed. Then function of somatostatin. It inhibits secretion of insulin and glucagon. In this diagram, we will see antagonistic actions of glucagon and insulin. In case of hypoglycemia, there is less amount of glucose in blood, so the glycogen should be broken down into glucose, and that is done by glucagon hormone. So what happens? That the alpha cells are stimulated to secrete this glucagon. In case of hyperglycemia, the glucose content in blood is very high. So in this case, yellow colored beta cells of pancreas are stimulated to secrete insulin that converts glucose into glycogen. So we can see glucagon and insulin are antagonistic in action to each other, and the cells of pancreas can maintain a steady state. So this is called homeostasis, and accordingly pancreas is called a homeostatic endocrine gland. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.